welcome to my channel. I'm Matt, this is Mark's Mods, and today we have Terminator Tuesdays, everybody. So we have issue 118 of the Terminator, and we are doing this base section. So we are going to be putting in the main plate for the centre section today. We've got some of the bits, what I'll call railings for the Terminator to hook onto. So yeah, this is going to be a really interesting issue, and there is now only 2 issues left to go after this issue, so we're finally going to get to see this thing completed and on its base. So exciting times ahead for the Terminator. So with all that said, let's get modelling. Okay, let's get started. So we need this bit that we did in the last issue, and what we've got the part of the stand here, and what we need to do, we need to basically put this into there like that and then screw that in. Now we have got 2 holes, one here and one at the other side, and that wants to be facing that way. So we'll get this in, just try and line up the holes. I believe they're lined up. Right, so I need to get one of these screws in to secure this. So let's try and do that now. Okay. And then we've got a little M2 nut. Oh, no, sorry, M3 nuts. This can be the hardest bit of it all. It's just getting the little nut in there. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to finish tightening that up with some needle nose pliers. And that's tightened up. So what I might do now is I might speed up the video and come back to you when all 4 screws are in place. Okay, and that is all of them screws in place. So what I need to do now is I actually need to bring the base over and just adjust my camera slightly so you can see what I'm doing. So I'll see you when I get the base over. Okay, so here we are over at the desk. Now we've got 2 holes, we've got one here and one here, and we need to put the stand down onto it. And I'm just going to have to bring it forward to me. Gosh, it's not easy. Mine really doesn't want to go into place. So I'm having a bit of a wrestling match here. Let me put the side camera on. Right, I'm going to have to put this on my lap. Oh! There we go, that's now in place. So what I need to do now is I'll stick with the side camera because that's going to give you the best view. We've got 4 screw holes that need to be screwed in. So, and that is going to be done with some PB 3x6mm. That's one. Now this hopefully should make this centre section a lot more sturdier. than what it has been. It should hopefully sort it out. I'm thinking, I know in 119 we actually attached the Terminator. I'm thinking, how am I going to record that? So might have to definitely move a camera and put it on a tripod. Okay, that's now in place. Okay, so the next thing is we've got the final piece of the base. That we're just going to slot in and then screw down with some more PB 3x6mm screws, and we need 4 of them. That's 1, here we go, and another one. Do have a little bit of hair on this I'm not happy about, but we do have a white dog and he molts like mad. So I might have to put something on the bottom of this just to help that. Okay, and that's now the entire underside all sorted. Okay, now we're sticking with the base because we've now got some sticky pads that we're going to put on, and let's have a look. Basically going in all 4 corners. Now I know some people have decided not to put theirs there, but if it says it in the magazine I'm going to do it. And all I'm doing is I'm just covering up the screws that are in the corners. Okay, and that's all 4 of them in place. Springs are a nightmare, and the battery box has just wanted to come out, so I'll sort them out after we're done, because we're still not done. I'm probably going to have to really hire my camera up for this next bit. Right, so if we go back to the other camera, we've got these bits to put in, you can see that, and they're just going to slot in just down there, push them into place if I can. That's one in. And that's 2 in. And that is this issue complete. So thumbs up from me. That's issue 118 done. Well, that is it for Terminator Tuesdays and issue 118, and I thoroughly enjoyed that. A little bit difficult trying to get it into camera range for everybody to see, but yeah, I really enjoyed that. That stand is looking fabulous now. Just need to do some touch-ups where the springs have come off, and yeah, hopefully it'll find a place somewhere in here. I do know where it's going to go, but it's not going to be on camera shot. It's not going to be behind me, unfortunately, because I am limited on space in here. So but I will do a sort of promo video after the Terminator is complete, showing everything that it does and stuff like that. Anyway, if you like this video, please give it a massive thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell, and you'll be notified of any future videos. But as always guys, stay safe and bye for now.